Toastmaster and esteemed guests from across Malaysia. I'm Chang, the OC for this year Toastmaster International District 51 Annual Conference with the theme From Great to Excellent. In a world that never stops evolving, greatness is not a final destination, but a stepping stone towards excellence. This year, our conference embodies this journey from great to excellent, celebrating our continuous pursuit for improvement and the boundless potential within us. Our theme is not just a tagline, it's a reflection of our collective aspirations. As Toastmasters in Malaysia, we have achieved greatness in many ways, but we know that the path does not end here. Together, we strive for excellence in communication, leadership, and community impact. With every speech delivered, every role fulfilled, and every challenge embraced, we move from being great to being excellent. This conference is a platform for all of us to learn from one another, to inspire and to be inspired, to celebrate our achievements and to set newer, higher goals. From great to excellent is about recognizing our past success while looking forward to the endless possibilities of tomorrow. It's about harvesting the strength of our diversity, the depth of our experience, and the commitment to our personal and collective growth. As we gather from every corner of Malaysia, let us share our stories, our wisdom, and our visions. This conference is your stage, your forum, and your celebration. Together, we will explore new horizons, elevate our skills, and redefine the essence of excellence in Toastmasters. I invite you to join this remarkable journey from great to excellent. Let us come together to celebrate our shared achievement and to pave the way for a future where every voice grows stronger, every leader stands taller, and every Toastmaster reaches new height of excellence. See you at Annual Conference of Toastmasters International District 51. Together, let's embrace our theme from great to excellent and embark this exciting journey towards a brighter, more excellent future for all. Together, we'll be unstoppable.